Trimethyl amine and trisillyl amine structure and differences. Trimethyl amine. The formula for this compound is CH3 thrice N. This is obtained by replacing 3 hydrogens of ammonia with methyl groups. So the structure will be nitrogen at the center connected to 3 methyl groups. This is trimethyl amine. Nitrogen will have a lone pair, and here, since nitrogen is connected to all single bonds around it, the hybridization of nitrogen is sp3 hybridization. The shape of this molecule is pyramidal shape and it is a Lewis base. Its nature is basic. If you look at the trisillyl amine, where 3 hydrogens of ammonia are replaced with SiH3. So the formula will be SiH3 thrice N. So here nitrogen at the center, SiH3 and one more SiH3 are present in the place of hydrogens. And here these two are sigma bonds, and here this is a sigma bond, and we observe a dative bond between the lone pair of nitrogen and the silicon. So this is a dative pi bond, because of which there is a double bond existing between silicon and nitrogen, and the nitrogen hybridization in this molecule is sp2 hybridization, and because of which the geometry is trigonal planar, and the nature of this molecule is not Lewis base because of the double bond. Lewis base. These are the differences and the structure of trimethylamine and trisillyl amine.